I'm at the Royal Distributing today. Picked up this freaking awesome helmet bag for $14.88. That's the deal of it today. But I got a bag of goodies here. Fuel line, fuel filter, some clamps for the fuel line, and a carb kit for the billets and carburetor. The Nordic is running on spray right now. It just doesn't have enough suction to suck the gas to keep that carb fed, but when this stuff's installed, it should be running like a champ.
If you're up north and it's really cold,
Yep.
minus 20, and I would suggest opening the choke and give it 2 or 3 good squirts straight back deep into the throat with the throttle wide open.
Okay, perfect.
That'll get her down to the bottom end into the crankshaft.
Do I have to worry about where that piston is? Like
No,
okay.
mine's a single. I can
Yeah.
align one cylinder. Yours is a twin, so you're gonna have one up, one
Oh
down.
yeah, that's right too. Yeah.
So you just open it up.
Yep.
Give her a few squirts. We won't do it now because it doesn't need it. That's in the dead of cold if it doesn't want to start.
Yeah. Now, what about the primer ball down there? Can I use it normally? Is that normally
Well,
what you
want
do?
to do is you want to pump it. You're going to look at this other line.
Yep.
And it'll start pumping it out back to the tank.
Okay.
That's when you stop. As soon as you see it coming out, then the thing's full.
That's like an overflow back into the tank.
That's an overflow back to the tank. It'll have gas in it going back.
Right on.
What it can't use in the carburetor.
Perfect.
Because it pressurizes the carburetor via this fuel pump that I've rebuilt in
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. Okay. Yep.
So in the dead of cold, try it full choke, prime it,
Yep.
pull it. And if it don't want to start, hit it with the bottle.
Okay.
You should always
Perfect.
take one of these.
Is that 40 to 1 in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
When you got an old side like this, you should have one of these.
Oh yeah, for
you
sure.
don't want to wreck your pull starter pulling and pulling.
No,
and
that's
pulling,
right. That's right.
Because then it breaks.
Yeah.
Then you're done.
Yeah, for sure.
And when you pull it, always take the slack out first.
Yeah.
Like get it tight and then pull it.
Yeah, and then give her a crank.
So let's just I don't know if it's going to need a full choke or not. I'm going to turn that off a little bit. So if you want, give her a good firm pull. Put that camera down so you can get both ends on it. Yeah, you want to give a good firm pull so you get her out.
Sounds good. Sounds really good.
Yeah, that started nice.
Yeah.
That's weight from starting, so we'll go with that. But your teeth are breaking off.
Yeah, that's not good.
And you're going to get stranded.
Yeah.
Probably last about 15 minutes by the looks of the amount of plastic laying around.
So the old Nordic fired up, and when we revved it, chunks of plastic were spitting out the back. These little gears are so brittle on the old ones. Hopefully I'll show them to you. I'm going to get Donny to throw these new ones in. They just arrived from Royal Distributing. So we're getting ready to ride. Stay tuned.